Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's wash day and I honestly did not want this flat twist out to go, but it had to go because this was the only time I could wash my hair and it was long overdue. So I hope you find this video helpful and let me know what you think. Guys, I'll have to do a voiceover for this video because I just realized that the noise around when I was making this video was actually a lot. So yeah, I guess we enjoy listening to my voice. I had to change because we're about to do water, leave-in conditioner, and all that can be very messy. So here I was just explaining my process, which is a very simple process if you don't like wash days, because sometimes it can actually be a lot, can be a lot sometimes. Yeah, so my simple process is to first detangle, because detangling actually helps to make your wash day very easy, very easy. I don't know how to explain that, but just going with your water and leave-in conditioner. Some people use flaxseed gel, whatever works for you, but I use water first. I finger detangle and then I use leave-in conditioner as well, and then I twist. I put into sections, of course. So when I'm washing, it's very easy to do. These days I want to do wash and go though. Wash and go. See my curls, pearl. It's actually so cute. This is just water, by the way. Just water. So like I said earlier, the next thing I use after water is a leave-in conditioner, and I finger detangle first because this actually helps to reduce breakage before I go in with my white tooth comb, and I put in sections. This is the shampoo that I use, which is what I go in with first. I use this deep conditioner and then a leave-in conditioner, the one I've showed you 200 times. And then yes, this to massage or to wash, and then a comb, with white tooth comb, and that's it, guys. Recently I've been doing something whereby I would wash section by section. I mean, before I can't even really tell how I used to wash, but I'm what I'm trying to say is that I would go in with twist, and then by the time I'm done, the twist are already loosened. But that makes moisturizing difficult for me because I feel like if they're still in twist, then I can properly moisturize section by section. So what I do is that I make sure that these twists don't loosen. So I wash section by section. I lose one, wash it, massage with this scrub, and then when I'm done, I twist it back, and then I go to the next section rather. So that's what I do to make sure that these twists are maintained till I'm done. And honestly, you might think it would take time, but it's actually very fast, and it actually makes your wash day even faster. So yeah, after washing, I go in with my my deep conditioner, and then I make sure that I use a generous amount to make sure that all the strands are covered with it, and still going section by section to keep the twists. So yeah, that's what I do. And then once I'm done using the deep conditioner, I cover in for 15 minutes and then I rinse off. And that's it, guys. That's really it. So when I was done, I didn't even record the after process, but yeah, I made twist and then I divided my hair into sections before starting to make it easier. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and share with somebody that needs this. Bye guys.